Like we weren't. Yeah, your shit was like on a blank screen the other day. The mushroom, good shit. I still have the party leader, so we don't lose that. Alright, we're waiting on you, Bickle.
Right, we're in. Yes.
I think. Okay, we're good. Hopefully, it does the lesser of the charge moves. So all I got is an Election, whatever the fuck that is. Maybe I'll pick a Moltres instead. Who fell out? Oh no, we're good.
Fire versus fire. I got my Lapras.
Yeah,
Alright, so
instead of a
everybody attack
Metagross,
with
fire.
Attack with
rabbit
water.
thing,
Oh, true.
Alright, this time it should be easy. I mean, we all got water to attack with. Don't forget to switch over.
True.
As long as we fill the max meter quick.
Yeah.
Dodge that.
Well, it requires damage to fill the max meter. It's fucked up.
So maybe I shouldn't have picked Lapras, is what you told me.
Yeah, Lapras gets one-shotted for some reason.
No. I think it's one shot. It did hit me.
Oh, okay, I gotta switch out. Shit.
It did hit me though.
Yes, fucking got it.
Yes.
I switched out and I got like nothing left. My Lapras is going to
Do you have any
die.
heals?
No, unfortunately.
Oh man, my Lapras does. I could do it with Lapras, but I would have to keep it in then.
It's okay, I'll just use my Lapras as a charge bait. Like I got a fraction of a health back. Oh, we're gonna get it. The Zapdos just fucking strikes the hell out of it.
I don't know, my Lapras is charged TM so much stronger though, I believe.
I don't. Well, yeah.
I think because it does 145 damage. I don't know what Zapdos is at. I don't think Zapdos' charge attack is that strong. And it's a water move.
This fucking building is like causing it to glitch on
Yeah,
us.
the cell tower.
Cell tower, exactly.
It could be a whole building, bro. We got it though.
Right now, my shit's stuck on the Dynamax phase. Oh, he just got smaller and smaller. Like,
Somebody's out.
what the fuck? My shit just got smaller as, like, I never seen that.
I'm gonna try Lapras just to see something. Oh.
We got this. This is being super laggy.
Oh yeah, mine's super laggy.
It's that cell tower shit, right? Like, it's right under us. We should have perfect service.
Super fucking laggy.
Meep.
Nah, you're right. Zapdos does more damage.
Told ya.
Grab the G-Max, bitch.
Right now, I got no bars over anything. It's all glitched out. I can't tell what's going
The
on.
other day, yeah, I couldn't
My
see
first
any
guy
of
went
them
down. We
Now
should
I
get this. My first guy went down. Oh,
We got eight.
We got it.
Yeah.
I still got two.
We wouldn't have made it without you back then.
All of us, we couldn't have made it.
Exactly.
Three is impossible.
Right? Even three would have been
It needs
hard.
freaking all of our instinct powers.
I don't know, it's close. I guess it's close. They're both doing roughly the same damage. But yeah, you think you're right. Zapdos does do more
For
damage.
some reason, yeah.
Yeah, no, he does. We got this.
Yeah, you got 8 left. One more fucking boom.
Just one shot. Alright.
You got a little tiny
We
fraction.
got 8 guys. So we're good. Ready, nice. Woo.
He's about to charge. Oh,
That boy dead.
he died.
He dies right before he's about to charge too. That fucking bastard tried to knock us.
I want a shiny just to fucking flex on from. I'll put it right in front of Bozo's school bus.
Not a shiny.
Yeah, the Stardust is killer on these.
I got the throw down. I got the throw down finally.
Nice.
Yeah, I got the throw
You
down.
gotta really
A little
fucking hook
spin
it.
and just straight up. Don't even like go crazy with the spin. Just one quick, like 2 little spins and straight up. But you gotta get with the big one. With the big one.
Alright.
Yeah, get in that ball.
Oh, center each pools is under attack.
Take her to jail.
I use the silver there, that way I got more.
Oh, nice. You got it? That's just small.
Same shit stats as the last
I
time.
went like
Shit
this. I
stats.
looked up. I was like, I'm about to hit this man.
Don't, ah, my eye! They keep on giving him 2 stars. What the fuck? Well, that's something we can lucky trade if anything. Nah, I can't. On my 6 other accounts, I would not be strong enough to take any of these fucking things.
Gordon.
I hate.
Oh, the tallest and the heaviest. Nice. Oh, not bad. 12, 10, 15. He is my tallest one, I'll tell you. I left flappers there.
Yeah, if I gotta go to Moe's for gas anyway, if there's any birds down that direction,
I'm gonna have to switch to a different account.
Yeah, let me go to.
I'm gonna have enough gas to get there.
I'm gonna
Not like I
browse
need
the
it
campfire and see
Yeah.
what's up.
I only like to get gas from Moe, you know.
Okay. Just don't go to fucking Kanoko. You know who's there. Imagine.
I'm going in to eat.
Fucking bench just fell.
There's one on Hammond, one on Woodland.
Oh, someone kicked something out of my bench, out of the bench.
Yeah, that was now.
Oh, what the? No, that was earlier. My bad.
You just getting the notification.
Yeah, I'm just getting the notifications now.
Yeah, that looks
I can collect 380 more, 480 plus 380. That's golden.
There's one on Howell Street.
Howell?
Down Howell. There's one there. And there's one.
I'm sure there's one by Bozo's or White Castle.
There's gotta be one.
by the church. There's
By
one
the
by the church
church?
over there. Yeah, Hammond.
Probably
That's like
10
a little
by the-
behind.
by the
That's where
quick
the
shop, but that's further.
Hammond Lane is where that car wash is over there by the church.
The bar church?
past
That's fine, but
Bozo's.
Why are you making us go so far, Pickles? We was looking for like something by maybe like.
We got that, or we got. These are our 2
Hop Farm,
options. We
maybe,
got
or
that.
Like the gas station or Bozo.
That one's closer than at least than
that's probably the
Woodland.
closest one. Yeah, it's weird.
Woodland's kind of fun.
Kind of
He's getting shit stats, so shit luck on his
Yeah.
stats. It really doesn't matter as long as you place him. I doubt you're gonna be using this Firebird. You got a lot more fire shit, but that's just shitty. Like, you at least need a 3-star.
I agree.
Finally caught him. Okay.
Now you gotta do the other count.
No, I already got both.
Oh, okay.
That was quick enough.
Yeah.
That was shitty. Well, we could try to mirror trade him too.
Yeah. No, that's true.
But,
Oh, I should do that with my Zapdos on my other account.
yeah, but usually it just drops down to 1
I was
star.
gonna say maybe that's not a good idea either, because I could use that on my old.
Well, this one is definitely shot on the fucking Orbeez, but I'll try to stay in here for the party challenge. And I could
The party
do.
challenge, I'm moving. What's up?
Yeah, it's still not doing the 2K. I think it's glitched. We definitely did. Nah, 2 kilometers is a lot more than we think.
It's Joe.
I don't know.
and it's not registering like the steps. You know, if you like go like this with your phone while we're riding it like actually works as footsteps. Yeah.
Oh, like double counts it?
Yeah. Well, when we're coasting it like confuses the game. Cause like when I checked on my main account, it said I had less steps than he did. He started after and he was driving. It was like, what the fuck? I'm out here on
like
fucking
this.
my own. Yeah. Yeah. So I sit there like. I'm gonna have to switch to all yellow or Guppet Junior now. That's fine. I don't know what I have on that, but I think I have every bird on every account. Well, not. I have a Zapdos on every account for sure.
What do we do now?
Rejoin party. A fucking Galarian bird ran from me yesterday, and it didn't even show up on my journal afterwards. I wanted to check. I'm like, what the? Yeah, I was out fucking 6 in the morning all the way to Selden. We took all the way to Selden as yellow and the pools. Right now we have like expanded territory.
Everything.
But I just noticed the pool fell, but I don't care.
We still have a lot up there.
Yeah, up there, yeah, for sure.
For sure.
All right, let's see. Let's see if